Class 12th, Book Flamingo, Lesson 2, The Lost Spring by Anees Jung. In this story, the author unveils the utter destitution of rag pickers of Simapuri and the bangle makers of Firozabad. This story describes the grinding poverty and traditions that compelled the children to live a life of exploitation. Anees Jung is an Indian woman writer, a journalist and a columnist for major newspapers in India and abroad. Born in Hyderabad, her parents were renowned poets. She has written several books such as Unveiling India, Night of the New Moon, Seven Sisters, and Breaking the Silence. Here she has tried to highlight the plight, life of poor people and the children who are exploited either by their uneducated and poor, helpless parents and the society who employ them as child laborers. The title is Lost Spring, which refers to lost happiness. Theme of this part of the story: the plight of street children forced into labor early in life and denied the opportunity of schooling. The carelessness of society and the political class to the suffering of the poor. So today we are going to discuss the second part of the story titled I Want to Drive a Car. Anees Jung tells about Mukesh, another young boy who wants to be his own master. He is a boy from Firozabad's glass making industry, and as a family tradition, he has always worked in the glass bangle factories. Thousands of adults and 20,000 children work there in the glass bangle industry, risking their eyes and health. Children work in close proximity of furnaces and in such high temperatures that they are exposed to various health hazards, even losing their eyesight. Mukesh's family, like other families of Firozabad, are victims of poverty. His father is blind and they live in a half-constructed house called shack. These people of Firozabad are exploited by the sahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the bureaucrats and the politicians. The author brings out the depravity of child labor in this part of the story. Millions of children like Mukesh have lost their spring, that is, childhood, by getting engaged in making a living. These children in Firozabad work in dingy cells, stinking lanes and dark hutments. Class, here are the meanings of some of the difficult words used by author in the second part of Lost Spring. I want to drive a car. The author describes Mukesh's dream as a mirage, that is, an illusion or a false appearance. The children work in dark and dingy cells. Dingy means dirty and dark, without proper ventilation. Primeval, it is the beginning stage of something. Wobbly, this word has been used for the unstable, broken doors of Mukesh's house. Wobbly means unstable. Impoverished, that means totally poor. Lineage, tradition of the family, line of the family, generation after generation. At last, there are some comprehension questions to be discussed in the class by teacher. First question, who was Mukesh? What was his dream? Describe the kind of bangles made in Firozabad. Describe the condition of bangle makers of Firozabad. And what is the fate of children working in glass industry? These questions are to be answered by students after reading that part of your lesson. Thank you.